Alright, so if you're watching this video right now, it's because you just received your new theme from Envada, wherever you purchased it for your brand new blog design. And so what we need to do now is install that. So what we're going to do is on your WordPress dashboard, you do need to log in to WordPress once again. You're going to go to, where is it? Appearance. You're going to go to themes because you're going to install a theme here. Your theme is going to be in a .zip format. That's how it should be. You're going to click this upload button right here. And then you're going to click upload theme. Once again, this box is going to pop up. Choose file. You're going to choose your theme. And remember to upload the zip version of it. It's going to upload. You're going to click install right here. And WordPress is going to work its magic and you're done. You're on to the next step.